Why do people use sunscreen? Because sunscreen protects the skin from ultraviolet rays that cause sunburn and skin damage. Why can sound travel? Because sound is a vibration that moves through air, water, or solid materials. Why is the Earth round? Because gravity pulls everything toward its center, forming a spherical shape. Why do humans need to learn? Because learning helps us understand the world, grow smarter, and build a better future. Why do we see shooting stars? Because small meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere and burn brightly as they fall.